In today's video, I'm going to try to fix this Milwaukee M12 stick transfer pump. Now, what's happening is when we put in a new battery and turn it on, the lights flash for a bit and then it just cuts off. So let's get down to it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is check to see if there's a clog on the impeller. Now, what you simply do is, I find it always easiest way to do it is to stand this thing up like this and just counterclockwise you turn this, and then we'll be our first thing we check to see if how everything looks. Oh, very clean. However, the impeller is not jammed at all and in good shape. So that part is okay. I'm pretty sure it's in the electronics. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just put the battery in and we're going to check it out. Yeah. Do. On this end. Oh, these are pretty corroded looking. I'm gonna try to clean those. See if that'll do it. Because this is just, you're not getting anything in here, you know. Mm-hmm. And that's just a lid. I should have left that in there. Oh, never mind. just bite the bullet. Unscrew the end. You got two there, but I don't know if they're gonna hold them.
If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give the channel a like. It goes a long way to support the channel so I can bring these informative videos to you. Thank you.
Just can't get it out. I think it's got to come out this way, to be honest with you. Obviously. You know? It's got to come out this way.
Okay.
I don't know what doing. I don't know what that did, if anything. You know? Oh, maybe I had to undo those rear screws. Yeah, okay. Hold on a second. Ooh. What was that? Maybe we should put a rag down. Well, oh, what am I doing here? Let me just. Oh, now the fucking whole thing's coming out now. I don't want the whole thing yet. Well, maybe it doesn't matter.
And that's the pump, right?
Mm-hmm. A motor? Oh, maybe you need this to... What's going on?
there. Let's see what it does when I put the battery in it.
With brush material, if it's got it.
It moved a little bit.
Still blinking.
It's moving. The impeller is moving a little bit.
Oh, they both came off. Well, we can hose it down. Clean it up a little bit.
And it's working.
Okay.
Yep. And that's how you fix a Milwaukee stick transfer pump.